Hey guys, it's Teresa Shea from FlyFierceFab, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I roller set my wig. I will have all the details on the hair that I used to make this unit down below. It's a wig that I made using a 360 frontal. All the hair is from Kendra's boutique, and the bundles are actually 2 years old. So first, I'm just showing you guys everything that I use: a wide tooth comb, a fine tooth comb, a 360 mist spray bottle from Sally's, Lotta Body styling foam, water girl, some hair rollers in different sizes, and then roller clips. So what I do first is I section off the hair. I spray it with the water. It's very important that the hair is damp, especially the ends. And then I'll section out a piece. I will comb through it with a fine tooth comb because you really want that hair to be smooth. You don't want it to have any tangles or anything like that. And then I start with the largest roller size. So the largest ones I use are these gray rollers. I got them at my local beauty supply. They're pretty inexpensive. I think I bought 2 packages of those. So that's what I use in the back because that's where I want the larger curls. So it'll give me more of a loose curl, loose wave situation. So I roll the hair and then I clip it into place with the roller clip. So to get started, I usually clip the first roller down to the wig head, or just try to get it to stay there, because basically what I'm going to do as I go along is clip the rollers together, as you guys can see me doing. Now, I am not a hair guru. This is just how I make the whole roller setting thing work for me. So the reason why I'm roller setting this unit is because when I asked my stylist to layer this unit for me and all of that, when she styled it, she had actually roller set it, and she'd been telling me for a while to just roller set my wigs instead. She said that it would give me a smoother curl and all of that. So that is why I started doing it. Basically, the general idea is you want to use the largest rollers at the back of the head and on the bottom. And then as you get to the top and closer to the front, that's when you want to move to the smaller rollers. So that's basically what you see me doing here. I did the gray rollers all in the back and on the bottom. And then I'm using the smaller 2 sizes at the top of the head. Smallest size, those little purple ones, being closest to the part and at the very top of my unit. Basically, I did the same thing the whole way through the unit. So I combed through each section, and then I combed through each little part that I was about to roll with a fine tooth comb. Made sure I sprayed it down so it was still damp. Then I rolled it on the roller and clamped it into place and kept going. It's pretty straightforward. You just want to make sure that you use the right roller sizes and the right places. I do pretty much roll it all in the same direction. When I roll the part of my hair that's going to be behind my ear on one side, I roll that with the hair roller facing up at the end. So I sort of roll it towards me, towards the face, if that makes sense. And with the section that's going to be falling into my face, I roll it so that basically the roller starts underneath the hair and I'm rolling it that way. So hopefully that makes sense. I know that description might be a little vague, but I'm doing my best here. So basically I'm showing you guys that I rolled the wig. Now you basically want to let it sit there until it dries completely. I air dry. If you have a hooded dryer or one of those contraptions, you could definitely dry it that way. I prefer personally just to let it air dry because then I can avoid doing a lot of heat styling on this hair. You basically want to let it set until the hair is completely dry. You do not want to take the rollers out before the hair is completely dry. This is very, very, very important. So mine actually wound up sitting there for a couple of weeks just because I had a lot going on in my personal life. I got sick. One of my parents got sick. There's just a lot going on. So it just wound up sitting to the side until Easter girl, because I figured I would just save it so my hair would be all set for Easter. Now this hair does hold a curl pretty well. The curls will drop a little bit throughout the day, but basically at night I'll sleep with flexi rods in my hair just to help me maintain the curl, because I don't have time to be sleeping in plastic rollers. That sounds like sleep deprivation, and that's just not what's going to happen. Now, I do apologize. The rest of this footage here with me showing you how I styled the hair after is a little blurry. This is live footage of me making my family late to church on Easter because my hair was not finished. But basically what you saw me do was I took a Care wax styling stick, and I learned that from, I believe, So Char here on YouTube. I put that in my part before I hot combed that area, and you just want to hot comb it to get the hair nice and smooth. It helps the part lay flat, all of that. The trick to that really is the wax stick, and a hot comb. I purchased the hot comb off of Amazon. The wax stick is from Sally's. And then just to help the curls hold, I spray a little bit of the Sally's version of the Sebastian Shaper Plus hold spray. And then just for a little sheen, I went in with like the ORS sheen spray. In hindsight, I really should have just used my Garnier Fructis serum and just put that in there to give the hair a little shine. But again, I was in a rush. I was late for church and I was trying to get myself together and my sisters were screaming at me in the background. But basically, this is what the hair is looking like when I take all of my rollers out. So that's basically it. That is how I roller set my wigs. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. You can catch me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm FlyFierceFab on all those platforms. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, girl, stop playing with me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, stay snatched, and I'll see you next time.